everyone.
Hello.
As you can see, we are starting our morning watching David's live stream. We're gonna watch Dylan from Theme Park Obsession. He did a live stream.
Yep.
So we're gonna watch him next, but we had to go to David's because he had a thing of wine.
His thumbnail was him with a glass of wine, and
And when David drinks, it's the funniest thing in the world. And he barely has any, and he's already a funny dude, but it gets even funnier.
Yeah, it's really good. And I was doing shots yesterday on my Instagram story, and so it's come to that now.
It's come to
Day drinking is a thing.
So yeah, he played Never Have I Ever, so we're just getting such a kick out of this, watching that.
It's a good episode. Yeah, you guys got to watch it.
Supporting all of our other, content creators is
yes.
so important. There's a couple others that we have to watch too, but
Plus, it's the only way we can hang out with them right now.
Yeah,
so.
virtually.
Yeah.
Virtually. And we're gonna find a way that we can all virtually hang out. Like I already messaged Liz about it. We're gonna find a way.
Yeah, we're working on that.
Talk to Dylan too. We'll find a way. So, we're gonna have a fun day today. I don't know. We haven't decided. We have a couple options. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. And we don't know exactly what that'll be yet. But it'll be something good.
All right, weather check. Let's see what's going on out here. Ooh, it's chilly. Polar opposite of yesterday. Look at this. Storm's coming in. Glad we did our beach day yesterday for sure, because it is one of those days for sure.
So while Spencer's in the shower, I found a box of this blueberry muffin mix. So I'm just mixing that together, and I'm gonna make 12 little muffins, especially because it's such gloomy weather. I think muffins are the perfect cure for that. Okay, I got them ready. They're going in the oven. Goodbye, little muffins. See you when you're done. So we're watching the new dolphin, what is it? Like Life of Dolphin thing on Disney Plus. Super awesome. Can't recommend that enough. And the muffins are done! Look how good they look! Yay!
Shout out to Fresh Baked.
Again, it's a theme today.
Yeah.
It's not warm.
No. The sun's trying. We're getting like a little bit of... See, look at a little bit of light on the beach down there, which is hopeful. Things are looking up, kid.
I think we have to take a walk, obviously.
Yeah. Alright, we made it down to the sand. Look at the dark clouds over there towards Santa Monica and the airport. Ooh. We've got like a little pocket going here. Blue skies towards the west of Malibu, out that way. So a lot of people think that that's like north, but actually because of where we are in the hook of the bay, that's actually, we're facing west right now. Morning strolls.
A little prance.
Yeah, somebody was so lazy a few minutes ago. She gets out here and she's just like...
We were kind of worried for a minute there. We were like, dang, like, she seems very, very sleepy.
Which I took it as just a beach hangover. I've had a lot of those where you're just from being outside all day the day before, and
sun and
yeah.
She walked a lot. Coming down to the rock. Hi, sweetheart.
South swell still running here. It's gotten a little smaller, but here we go. Boom, blast. These are the good ones. This one should blast pretty good. It's lining up. Here we go. Boom. That's the one thing with this swell. It's been multiple waves per set, like 6, 7, even more. During the peak of the swell, it was like 10 wave sets. When I say sets, I mean like sets of waves that come. They come in groups, There he is. Baywatch. That's the guy that got the surfer the other day at Malibu.
Yeah,
that's the boat, yeah. It's like a pit maneuver.
I love the color of the inside of the boat and the interior, the tealish.
That aquamarine, that, yeah.
we are back up from the beach, and Spencer's mom got us a new hummingbird feeder, and it's a nice like glass one. It's really like high quality. So I'm going to make some hummingbird food, nectar. Food nectar. I was reading that you don't want to give them anything with red dye because it's not good for them. So I'm just going to make some with 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water, and then we'll fill this up and put it on the deck. Now the good thing about the deck is we are going to do a deck makeover. Sorry to break into the edit right now, but we started doing the video and we were like, oh my gosh, we got so excited and started working on this project that we didn't even talk about it. We were like, wah! So what this is we have been trying to, for the last several months, try to redo the deck outside there. And we realized now would be a really good time. We had all the materials. It's all been sitting here, stored away, like waiting, ready to go. But we just needed to do it. We had some wood cut. We did that like a little bit after Christmas. And then we had some cushions made. And Spencer's mom's basically like designed the whole thing. I went with her. We got the wood cut. Her and I picked out the material for the cushions. It has to be like a certain type of thing. But then she just went to town and designed everything and got the cushions made. And, you know, so it's been sitting here. And we were like, now's the perfect time to do it. So you get to watch this progress. This is literally step 1 of like a lot. We have a long way to go with the deck, but we figured quarantine is the best time to do it. So here it goes. You know who you remind me of?
Who?
Cinderella.
Oh yeah, thanks.
This is something Cinderella would do.
Well, gotta get it done, right?
True statement. Beautiful. I hope the GoPro is capturing that. So the idea, while Spencer's doing that, is there's gonna eventually be 2 pieces. Right now we're just doing the first piece. We can't do like, you know, all of it today, but this is step 1. Oh my gosh. I'm helping.
Thank you very much.
I'm helping.
All right, the foundation, the base is done. It's that simple. It's just a bunch of screws and that's it. Gotta have a drill with a little Phillips head and you're good to go. So now we're gonna add the pad. Add the pad. Katie, add the pad. All right, pad added. Now the little backs. Oh, hello. Look at that thing. So
Wow.
this Scotch guarded, right?
Yes, and it's a sunbrella, or it's a material that's made for outdoors. So Spencer's mom and I went and we picked out this fabric. We went to Home Goods and we picked this out because we love the color, but it's good for the sun, rain, you know, it's weatherproof. It's kind of like a sunbrella material.
Got it. Probably gonna get in trouble for this.
Wait,
Oh!
we got some throw pillows too.
Pretty comfortable. I like it. It's supportive. The last pads we had, we also made that couch, but it wasn't as supportive. It was like kind of squishy, which is cool. But this is like nice. It's supportive. Here's my view from the new couch. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, very important phase of the deck. Ooh, did you see that bubble? Very important phase of the deck revamp is this hummingbird feeder that my mom got us. Katie made the magic mixture. The nectar without putting the food coloring in because the food coloring is bad for them, we're told. So
yeah. So you basically just do like 1 cup of organic sugar.
Yeah.
And 4 cups of water, and then I just made nectar. You just let it like come down to. I mean, I brought it to a boil and then let it cool down.
Let it cool off.
And we have extra that I stored in the fridge.
And we have a lot of little guys, and they show up this time of day actually.
They do, yeah.
So we got some.
Spencer's gonna hang it.
Yeah, we got some fishing line, and we're gonna hang it up there somewheres on this side of the deck.
He tends to like to come over here.
Yeah, that's where we always see him buzzing around.
He's hanging it for me.
Whoa.
Oh man, you did a lot. Oh well, I'll just have to refill it after. It's all good. Okay, there it is. It's tilting a little bit. We lost a little nectar. There it is. Yay.
Yeah, nothing to get in there, right?
Yeah, that's what I was wondering because it doesn't fill to the top.
Yeah.
It just fills under.
It's gotta probably always keep a level.
Yeah, it keeps at that level.
Phase 1, I guess you would call it, right? Is done.
Phase 1 of like 5.
Probably, yeah, at least 5, I would say.
At least 5, and that's like really optimistic.
It was relatively easy, but you know, still more than I've done in a while.
Yeah, it took time.
I'm a little tired.
This is the nice thing about quarantine like this is like you could get some really nice like house projects done.
Yeah, we've been talking about this for a while, and I don't think we probably would have had the time had we just kept on our grind. True. To be honest, you know, I would always talk myself out of it, and you know. So, anyways, I think we did pretty good. I think we should reveal it now.
Yes.
To everybody. First, we're gonna cheers, like we do with everything. I have my Pacifico beer because, you know, construction and beer kind of go hand in hand.
It's like Shawshank Redemption.
It's like Shawshank, yeah. Katie doesn't drink, so she's got Diet Coke, but we're gonna cheers anyways. Best lifestyle. Here we go. Oh. Good job.
Good job.
All right, so now the big reveal. Dun 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 dun. Look at that. Hung a piece of my art up there in the background. An old that was from an art show that I did in Malibu when I first moved here years ago. Malibu Artists Unite is one of a bunch of pieces I did. Anyways, we thought kind of splash some color on there, and it looks good.
So we have like another section of this coming. This might get hung up.
Yeah, we thought maybe we would hang that there as a kind of a privacy to the building next door to us.
And to give us a little shade sometimes, like in the, you know, just need a little shade.
Yeah, because, you know, judgmental dog is always judging us up there. So this is like a anti-judgmental.
Our sweet little Oliver.
I know.
And then we're going to have the other section here. We're getting
there's like an ottoman section, almost like a square almost, that we can put either up front or back here or a center. It's just an added piece to this.
Over here, we're going to have a whole new set of table and chair.
Right.
This is gonna be gone. We're gonna put curtains up here.
Oh yeah, I already have. I made this a while ago. Curtain rod.
So those will go up, and then we're gonna do some tiki or some lighting out here.
Yeah, we've only got just a smattering of tiki out here at the time. This is from Oceanic Arts though, in Whittier. Yeah, the only reason I might not want to hang that there is because it obstructs the mirror view. Look at that.
Oh, that's true. Well, we'll see.
So I might move it over for now. I don't know. I think I want to. Good idea. But maybe we'll rethink it.
Okay, so we decided to move the little bamboo screen thing that was there.
Yeah, it obstructed that mirror view, which I love. This mirror view right here.
Yeah, it's nice because you
this
can.
time of day. I mean, look at that. Amazing.
It is really nice. But yeah, so we have a lot more work to do. This is just the very.
Table here.
Yeah, I put some little treasures from the ocean there. I found a sand dollar, seashells, some flameless candles.
That sand dollar is actually from this beach.
Yes, it is. All those shells, yeah. And then this is our Pirates of the Caribbean doohickey here with some more flameless candles. This is from the Tropical Hideaway. But yeah, so again, new table and chairs coming. These are just something, so we have something. And I can't wait for the lighting and everything to happen. It's gonna be great.
All right, well, that about wraps it up. You guys, hope you enjoyed it. There will be more of this, so stay tuned. Obviously, where Home is Where the Vlog is gone complete makeover now. We're a makeover show.
Yep. Home makeover.
Complete with home makeover. Yeah, complete with time lapses and all that fun stuff. But
so if you like this video, let us know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel.
And make sure to hit that bell notification so that you know when we go live and when we drop new videos.
And if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, you can become a Patreon member. I'll put all that information in the description box right there below.
That's right. We'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye bye, everybody.